Alright guys, we're out here with this Metakoo M1. It's like 45 out here, but it feels like 100 after all this crap that I've been through with this cold out here, man. It's been brutal. This is a little Whoop. It's basically an indoor flyer, but we're going to take it out here and see how it acts outside. Doesn't act too good, I can tell you that. It didn't want to come back to me for some strange reason. I was pulling it back with the trim, but it still didn't want to do it because I bound it up and everything before I started the video. Okay. Change the rate a little bit. I don't know what the hell that was doing at first. Okay, this is the rate button right here. Let me trim it out a little bit. It's wandering. Okay, there it goes. It doesn't have much, there's not much to it. Then the flip button, you press down on the right stick. Flies better inside, I can tell you that. Even though there's no wind out here at all, it just doesn't act as good out here for some reason. Flies much better in the house. There's the yaw. And your orientation is the red props are in the front. But it's a little bit more difficult to see it because, you know, it doesn't have they should have had the shell be red in the front also and not just black all the way around, because that can mess you up a little bit. I'll put the flight time in there. See, it wants to drift a lot. You gotta trim it a lot. You see how it's constantly pulling that way? Look at that. I'm not touching it. It's doing all that on its own. It's also drifting a little forward too, so I don't know. It's a nice flyer. It's an indoor quad, you know. It's not too outside thing. God only knows what the range is. I'm sure it's only about, you know, 40 feet or something like that. I wouldn't risk it. I think the battery's getting ready to go, guys, because it won't flip no more. Now it's drifting off to the other side now. Well, we'll just have to ride out the battery. Like I said, it's a good indoor quadcopter. It's for outside. It's really not that hot. It's great in the living room. You know, I flew it in the living room. Actually, when I did the unboxing on it, I was flying it there in the kitchen. It flies great in the house, but out here, it's not so much. There goes the battery. It's taking a dump. All right, guys. Yeah, what are you gonna do? Great indoor flyer. Outside, not so hot, but that's all right. It's still great in the house, so that's all that matters with this thing anyway. All right, guys. Thanks for watching.